Hi everyone, this is Keisha Brew Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko natin reaction video ang Kairen compilation. Without further ado, let's all watch this. Dear, pakisend naman sa akin yung mga link ng kanilang bistag ulit. Nawala na naman sa akin yung Kairen na bistag, nakakainis. Ay, ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Jaren? Yung totoo, Jaren. Si Jaren ba talaga dapat? Nag-hug ba talaga dapat si Jaren? Grabe naman yung hug ni Jaren. Si Piang. Aba? I love it. I love it.
I would like you. I would like you.
Hoy! I would like you. Ay! Narinig namin yun. Narinig namin yun, Jaren. Jaren, ang hirap mong ipagtanggol. Charis. Ay, unang TikTok mo kaya rin this January. Grabe yung hug ni, di ba yung height ni, what do you call this? Yung height ni Kai. Who's the cute boy? Of course. Ay, best in him lang. Alam mo, nasa behind the scene talaga ang totoong kilig eh. Sa totoo lang. Nasa behind the scene talaga ang totoong kilig. Sa totoo lang.
The best
Okay.
part of Jaren is his soul.
Ay, Diyos ko tayo. Parang umiiyak naman tayo for today's video. Oh my God! Pakaloka. I know you're a star. Go a follow. Okay, go. Kung gusto mo yan, go. Ay! Ganyan ba talaga dapat pag tumapos ng ma'am? Ganyan ba talaga dapat pag tumapos ng, what do you call this? Ng kanta na best part, ma'am. Yung best part kasi yung kanta mo para sa mga crush-crush mo yan, eh. Sino yung picture sa likod?
Jared, we'd like to ask you, name an activity you want to do this year with Kai.
Activity. Definitely more duets. More performance.
Yeah, oh my God, ang ganda na.
At ang bagay talaga yung boss.
True, ang ganda ng kanilang version ng best part. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. The version of the best part. And then Darren, no, asar. Charit. Asar. Nakakaasar, ah. Si Kayla yung Englisherang hindi ko mahigit. Kasi expensive ng tunog sa totoo lang.
Ang pure naman nun.
Si Kayla.
So pure. So pure.
I don't heard anything like that.
But it's so easy to say that a physicality is the
Yeah.
best part. Kasi you're so
Something inside, no?
Something inside. Anyways.
Ayun na mag-duet.
Okay. Okay, what's next? Ay, ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Okay, whatever. Ay, hello, Kairen. Who anyone's WhatsApp for? Gusto ko to. Yung core nila. Ay, ang gwapo ni ang gwapo ni sino to? Ni Jaren.
There's nothing to do and you're just at home. Anong ginagawa niyo?
Ang ginagawa ko other than
Ang gwapo ni Jaren.
To be honest, I'm just in bed.
Gusto mo may sample?
Demonstration.
Demonstration.
Ikaw.
Yeah, but for me, just sleeping. What about you guys?
Wow! Di ba?
Travel along somewhere this 2025. Where would that be?
I'm in Greece.
Greece.
Yeah.
Wow.
I've never been to Greece.
Where in Greece?
Where in Greece? Like Mykonos? Where?
Athens?
Athens.
The capital.
Jaren, we'd like to ask you, name an activity
Jaren.
you want to do this year with Kai.
Definitely more duets, more performance. Yeah.
Other than duets, I was gonna say that. I wanna dance with Jaren naman. Dance with Jaren naman.
Talaga ba?
Why don't we start it
Tapos.
right now, dear?
Mukha ka lagi. Bina kasi.
Okay. Ang gulo-gulo pala nila.
Ako yung
Pasend naman ako ng link. Diyos ko, gusto ko. Bistag, i-search ko na nga lang, Bistag.
Kayo na mag-duet.
Ako buhay mo. Ako buhay mo. Nagalit. Nagalit kasi hawak ang buhay for today's video. Paano naman yung gano'n?
Menurut aku kamu bukan seperti kayak kontestan Indonesian Idol.
Bakit
Kamu kayak
nag-loading tayo? Wait,
performer
sorry, nag-change tayo ng server. Nag-loading tayo.
pinasa na naman sa akin.
Mahina kasi yung isang internet ko eh.
Like sing R&B, something like that. 'Cause it's only like, it's a song that's what Kai did too.
Games I'll Kai ever. Try.
Yes, of course. Bakit kasi din sa
Oo nga, swak. Swak nga.
Swak nga in every single way.
Una sa lahat, message sa fans ninyo na laging
I would like you... No.
I would like you. I would like you. I would like us. Ay, yun pala yung context. Yun yung context ng kanina. Akala ko naman kasi binago.
Thank you guys. I would like to thank you guys kasi maka-solo man kami or maka-together. You guys are
Ganyan ba talaga dapat, Mel?
amazing ganito eh. If without you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for supporting us all the way.
Ganyan ba talaga dapat, Mel?
How you guys support us together, both individually and sorry.
Happy face.
What else?
Partying, dancing with Jaren and his new album.
You better be.
Oh, you better be.
Hell yeah.
AC, para sa iyan.
Away niya lahat.
Ay, ang ganda talaga ni Kai. Ang ganda talaga ni Kai. Yo, ika lang kung makita. Gusto ko itong katang to. Seryoso. Nakakapighani nga naman talaga si Jaren. Tsaka lalaking lalaki siya. Imagine lalaking lalaki ka tapos Englishero ka. Can you imagine that? Diba? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yung totoo. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Ay, hindi. No. Hindi natin ito tapusin. Nakikita natin si... Ay, Kidilex. Ay, yan ang kiss doon. Ah, si KD. Ganda ni Kai. Dikit-dikit yan, Kai. May patapa talaga ng shoulders. Tinap niya talagang shoulders ng deer. Kita natin yun. Alam niyo yan. Alam niyo yan. Tinap niya yung shoulders doon. Charis. Na 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 na. Anyways, ay wala ng music. Nasa behind the scene ang tunay na kilig. Alam niyo yan. Kung alam niyo lang. Charis. Charis Pempeng ko na tumba patis na ngayon. Charis. Ay, hello. I-like natin yan. Ay, what is best in heart for today's video? Jar of Hearts. Alam mo yung kanta? Na 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 dang you are. Na 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 da na na. Da 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 da. Charis kumanta. Ay, napanood na natin yan. Hindi ko alam bakit may mga Jarfiang. Ano ba? Wala talaga. Oh, gumawa din naman ako ng reaction video sa Jarfiang. Pero Jaren talaga tsaka JM Fiang ang may chemistry. After prod. Ito yung after prod nila. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Our Kyron compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!